Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know what's blurry. Another vlog and we're here again at the same place. I thought, start something new. I mean not something new, but we should do a verse of the day together. Verse of the day is 1 Peter 4:16. However, if you suffer as a Christian, do not be ashamed, but praise God that you bear that name.
My name's Anya Reddy. Yeah. What are you eating for?
They're going to rush up quickly. 3 seconds. Passing. Dead. Shot. Goal.
Maybe a fire alarm. It's raining outside.